sugar and water. Please take a look. Please observe this experiment, the first experiment. Okay. So after mixing the sugar and water, what did you observe? Anyone? Yes, Don? What did you observe after mixing the sugar and water?
Blend.
The color of the water changed, and of course the sugar is dissolved.
Thank you, Don Roy. Don Roy is correct. So does it look same throughout? Anyone? Yes, Andre?
Yes, ma'am.
Why do you say so?
Because the color of sugar, water absorb the color of sugar.
Very good. Thank you, Andre. So can you guess what type of mixture is this? Anyone? Yes? Read. Why do you say so that this is an example of homogeneous? Very good, David. When we say homogeneous mixture, it is a mixture that looks the same all over. But you can see the different parts because they are mixed very well and look like one substance. Do you understand, class? So since you understand, I have here a picture and you can determine if this picture is an example of homogeneous or heterogeneous. Am I clear, class? Yes. Okay. So this is the picture. So can air the example of what types of mixture? Anyone? Yes, Bernadette?
Homogeneous mixture.
Why do you say so?
Because the air consists of different gases, such as nitrogen, oxygen, and carbon dioxide.
Very good. Thank you, Bernadette. And the second one is mixing the sand and the water. So can we have one student here in front to do the experiment? Any volunteer? Yes, I said. Okay, thank you, Isaac. So, in this experiment, after mixing the sand and water, what did you observe? Anyone? How about this group? Good? This is stand up.
Based on the water and sun, I think the mixture will be a heterogeneous because the components are not evenly distributed.
Very good. So, can you still see the components? Anyone? Okay, and what are the components? Very good. Since Ruth mentioned that it is heterogeneous, why do you say so? Anyone? Yes. Marina?
The mixture contains water and sun.
Okay, thank you, Marina. So, our definition of heterogeneous mixture, it is a mixture where you can see the different parts of the substance because they are not mixed evenly. And Ruth and Marina is correct. And now I have here another example of two types of mixture, and I want you to determine if this is an example of homogeneous or heterogeneous. You understand, class? Yes. Okay, so number one picture is, can a pile garbage be an example of homogeneous or heterogeneous? Other? Yes, Laika?
Heterogeneous.
And why do you think so?
Because the other materials are, all materials are present within the components.
Thank you, Laika. So another example, or another picture rather,
the care means that.
Thank you for trying, Johnny. Who can help Johnny? Anyone? Yes, Andre.
Aroma.
Why do you think so?
Because the smoke and the dust smoke is visible, ma'am, and did not mix in the air, ma'am.
Okay, thank you, Andre. Andre is correct. It has a different things like dust and smoke, where you can see or you can feel these particles. Do you agree with me, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Another one is mixing the oil and water. Can I have one student? Okay.
Wala pang namunta ka na.
I have here a bottle of water.
Wala talaga yung mga
What is the cup?
pagkain sa atin.
Okay. Okay, since you're here in part 1, I have a question for you. So in this experiment, do they mix completely? Why do you think so? So they did not mix together because the oil and the water they do not dissolve each other. You understand, class? And yes, okay. In this experiment, what do you think, or what do you think, or what is the type of mixture? Anyone? Yes, carry on.
The type of mixture when we mix water and oil, water is mixture because as you can see, there are two different parts that in the substance that are not evenly composed.
Okay, thank you, Sharian. So, in this picture, why do you think that this mixture is an example of heterogeneous? Anyone? Aside from Bernadette? Yes, Celine.
It's heterogeneous mixture because there are different fruits inside the bowl, like cherries, apples, strawberries, raspberries, and others.
Okay, Celine is correct. And another is, why do you think that wine is an example of homogeneous? Yes, Celine?
Because the wine contains water and fruit, but you cannot see where is the fruit there and also the water. Only you can see a liquid that contains the fruits.
Very good. Celine is also correct. So now, can you now differentiate the two types of mixture?
Yes.
Since you understand, let's have an activity. So this is your instruction for your groupings. All students will form a circle. A shape will be passed from one student to another and around the circle until all students have the same shape. While passing the shape, you will sing the fruit salad song. And each group will do a different task. The group 1 will be the blue sheep, will conduct an experiment. The group 2 will be the pink sheep, will compose a song, and the group 3, the yellow sheep, will be write a poem. And each group will present their work in front, and you have only 10 minutes to do that activity. Is the instruction clear, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
Form a circle now.
Pagkano ka
Wait, stop.
But the matter is suffering.
They will wait for the other two. Group 2, are you done? How about group 3? Are you done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, we'll wait for the group 2. Okay, only 3 minutes left. Group 2, are you done? Okay, so group 1 will present their work.
Good morning, class. So this is our task, and we are tasked to do
Na.
It isn't a homogeneous mixture because you can only see one substance and
Karina.
it's uniform.
Then you will see the salt.
So you see there's no salt you can observe in this mixture.
For the last question, do you think you can separate the salt from the water?
I think you can separate the salt from this water to the process of evaporation. So for example, you get a pan and you pour this mixture and you boil the water and
Ang
then
magpipindot ako din.
the water
Bain.
will evaporate until the only part will not exist.
Okay, we need to move on. Kasi lang, group 1A1. Okay, the next presenter is group 2. We are the group 2 and we are the CPT. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, tell me how your hearts align. Homogeneous, smooth and fair, looks the same for everywhere. Heterogeneous chunks appear, bits and pieces far and near. One is blended, one apart. Science makes them both so smart. Twinkle, twinkle, it's so fine. Chemistry is quite divine. Okay, thank you so much for you. Can we please then okay, the last group is group 3.
Morning everyone, here at the Korea and we are interested to try a book and the poem that we made entitled A Tale of Two Seasons.
Chemistry is magical, marvelous love. Two types of mixtures go hand in hand. One turns smooth, a seamless blue. The other structure is speckled green. Homogeneous, also neat. Every part the same, a uniform green. Salt in water, very fine. Your experiencing it, it's all alive. Heterogeneous, with bits and pieces that can be used. A solid gold, around the shore. Each part stands out, no need to explore. One slight hole, the other the other, like trail needs to recognition. Different people, yet both have the road to live. The science and math, and your every
Okay, thank you, group 3. Can we give also group 3 a final clap? And this is your score. So group 1 got 49 over 50. The group 2 got 48 over 50. And the group 3 got 45 over 50. Ano ma'am? Recap ma'am. So now let's have a recap and this is the instruction. I have here a list of your names with corresponding number. And I will pick one number and if that number matches where your name is listed, then you will be the one to answer the question. And then if your answer is correct, you will receive a prize later on. Do you understand class? Yes, ma'am. So I will pick a number now. So I will pick number 9. So it's your lucky day. Corina. Since Corina is absent, I will pick another one. Number 4. Pauline. So this is your answer. If your answer this is your question. If your answer is correct, you will have a prize. What is this?
Mixture is combination of two or more substances and the result will be uniform.
Okay,
the